Their block model is a really amazing experience, different to a lot of universities.
It's just so much better having one subject at a time rather than 4 altogether and 4 exams at the same time.
It provided me a balance between full-time study and part-time work.
Students have a really practical approach to their learning. They are constantly hands-on with their peers.
It was smaller classes, you had more support from your lecturers and classmates, and also you had more hands-on experience, which I thought was fantastic.
With block learning, your assessments are done at the end of that month, so that gives you positive feedback to move on to the next subject.
So you feel like you can really master your skills and get better results.